welcome back. Yes, this is season 2 of weekly pickups. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be like the sitcoms y'all see in the 90s where each season they change the intro music and change the cast members and give you a new Aunt Viv and a new Harriet. None of that. Same old CON seated, aka Jimmy Shootron, and same old fire pickups. Also, what's the same? Of course, the Hollywood Apparel. Sponsor of this video to get the fire tees. And today we got Batman. Yeah, that's right. Listen, the official, authentic merch to go with all the fitted deets. You already know what it is. I'm gonna tell you what's so crazy about this. All the comic book, like cover shirts, the classic vintage comic book shirts, they all come in the box, which is crazy. So, nigga, it comes in the actual comic book cover box. Boom, authentic joint, Batman on the back, all that. You see it. This is what the tee comes in. So, that's how you know your joint is official, mission and all that. You heard? Oh, new show coming. Shout out to Sean Witherspoon, Brittany Elena, MTV. Got a new show for the sneakerheads. I'm gonna keep y'all posted, so make sure you check in with me, tap in with me, tune in here. My Instagram, Casino NYC, or my Kickstagram, as I like to call it, Jimmy.Shootron. So I'll be having the updates and all that for the show. It's just for the sneakerheads. It's crazy. Without any further ado, we gonna get it up first. Now, usually, you know, I tell you the sneakers I got on my feet, but the reasoning for that I didn't do that right now is because it's part of this. So sneaker number 1, SB. You know what it is. Y'all might know what it is. It happens to go oh so lovely. I didn't put it on the toe yet, but with this shirt. So fire. So fire. Got the orange, white, ain't no really yellow in there. That's a little bit, you could get away with it. Kind of call that, but fire. So we got the ray guns, the SBs. This is the 2019 version, you know, not the ray guns. I mean, so yeah, these come out 2019 or 2020. Regardless of production code, it's definitely gonna be 19. Yeah. So we got these fire. That's what I'm gonna wear with this shirt, the black ray guns. And of course, you can't have the black ray guns without having the white ones. These are crazy. Yeah, I mean, even though these are actually more limited, right? I actually like the black pair better. Definitely like the black pair better. But these are fire. You gotta have both. You know, SB is always good for that quality material. Fire. White ray gun. Since we in the dunks right now, we in the low top dunks. We got the SBs. But since we in the dunks, you know, we're gonna go right here. Fire box version. Pause if needed. You know, we're gonna go with bang the Michigan colorway. I mean, obviously what you know. I mean, we're all gonna call them. At least I am. The off-white dunks. See that? Boom. This colorway is fire. May be my favorite out the 3, maybe. But then again, I always say that. Then I look at the red pair. Woo! Then when I look at the red pair, it makes me feel like, damn, maybe these are the most fire out the 3. No, but some more fire and heat for you. I know y'all thinking I'm gonna be like, and then I see the green pair. No, I don't have the green pair. Don't want them. All right. It's not that I missed out on them. Didn't want them. Still don't want them. Those are the only 2 I wanted. Those are the only 2 I got. All right. So let's keep it moving. That's there. I was gone for a minute, but I gotta come back with the fire. You know we gotta always support the cause. Fool. DB. Freestyle. Dawn Becker. I wore these already. The DB14s. These are crazy to me. A lot of people don't like them. I don't want to say a lot. A lot of my homies don't like them. I mean, you got your Seattle needle on the back. Number 6. They come already with 2 different laces, but you know they have the laces also in there if you want to put your laces 2 purples or 2 whites. I know a lot of people probably told y'all this already, but I'll just show y'all anyway. See, it got raindrops on them. that's a lot of things that some people didn't like, but I think that's fire. It's Seattle. I mean, Seattle reigns like this. I love the DB14. And you know, of course, the cause is always a good cause. So I try to buy every DB that I like. First of all, if you reselling the DBs, you're bugging. But get your bread up, you get your bread. But you're a fucked up nigga, so. But so I try not to buy them for resale because that's not really supporting the cause. I'm supporting this reseller's pocket only. So I try not to, but I try to get all the DBs for retail that I like. Keeping it going. Some more DBs. Woo! I can tell how light this is. I already know what this is. The React. These are crazy, son. These are crazy. Look at that. You got the brain right there. Have your girl give me brain right here. The back, fire, the other shoe. I could have done it without the emoji right there. Made it real girly. That's what I didn't like about it. I do love that football right there, like a varsity football. Definitely like where the lace goes through right there in the middle. Don't even know if you can see it. I don't even know if I want to wait for this to. Definitely like the lace right there in the middle. Oh, the bottom got like glitter on the sole, a couple of translucent joints. I'm not gonna lie, the shoe is actually fire. Kalia Corona, so that's why it's so girly. I didn't even know. There we go. So that's why it's girly. Now it makes sense. Well, you did an excellent job, Shorty Rock. Congratulations to you. Body bagged it. Nice. I'ma actually wear that shoe, so let's just go back real quick. Shout out to my man Ethan Ellis. He made the 14 crazy. Salute to him. Another DB freestyle. Yeah, the DBs came crazy. These Uptowns are insane. Yo, my man, yo, do y'all see these? Huh? Do y'all see these? Nah, y'all not looking at me. Y'all not. These are crazy. Look at the check, the whole X pattern around the toe box. With the extra laces, you got like some, I would say, net color laces. Come with black ones. Who made these? Zion Thompson. This is actually one of my favorite Dorn Beckers. Not of just this season. My favorite Dorn Beckers. Like, this is one of my favorite ones. It just fired me. Crazy. Good job, Zion. Let's keep it going as we do. Oh, pump it up. Woo! Y'all had to have been outside. Had to have been outside to even know what these are. A-Life, Ball Out, Court Victory Pumps. 2006. Alright, this is the 06 pair. The orange pair never got re-released. So the crazy pair, I don't know if y'all remember the all tennis ball lime green pair. Boom, this one came out in 2006, right? Super crazy fire. Now I believe this was a limited, like a super limited pair, like only 72 pairs made, if I'm not mistaken. I do not know, but I remember it was a very limited number. Then they retroed again in 2014. These, I mean, they both fire. I got the retros. I don't have the original ones, but they also came out with other colors: pink, white, black. Here are the pictures. Arguably one of the best and successful collabs that Reebok and A-Life did. Like, crazy. Take all that away. Now, the orange pair, this pair, came out the same time as the neon one, as the neon tennis ball looking one, but this one was never retro. This is 2006, original A-Life pumps, and if whoever don't know what A-Life is, you're bugging. Moving on. We talking about Uptowns, right? We talking about Uptowns, right? Woo! The Brazils. All of that whole premium run, and when they did the whole World Cup series, these are the Brazils. These are fire. You see the tone on it. Bang. That joint is crazy. Fire. Boom. The insole got stars. Gold stars down it. And of course, you know, around that time, it's not complete if you ain't got that premium hang tag on your forces. Alright? Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Bang! Fire. This is a crazy pair that I always wanted. For the people who know about Uptowns a lot, you remember the Ronaldinos? The one that was this color, but with the soccer ball right here and the stars. I mean, the soccer ball right here, the with the stars and all that on the toe. Oh my goodness, those I've been looking for those and I came close to get them twice. Damn you shippers who don't ship. Let's stay with the Uptowns. Y'all see, I posted these already. Warm, mad time. She, woo, 2004, baby. She, low top, red patent leather, Air Force One. Mean. Y'all remember last time I thought he was grabbing the rebound? Somebody had to tell me that's a she shooting a fadeaway. But yeah, so for the ones who didn't know, like me, and just didn't know what it was, that is Sheed's fadeaway, that is his logo. Alright? But these insane, crazy, I already wore these joints like 2 times already, couldn't take them off. Let's keep it going. Foot Locker, thank you very, very, very much. I like these joints mainly because they're double swoosh. Double swoosh. Black check, but the white check right on top of it. Leather is crazy. Double swoosh gang with the Uptowns. Can't go wrong with that. This was crazy. This was just a pair I saw and I'm like, yo, what's up, Will? Nobody's copying these or nothing? They're like, yeah, nah, you know, they work back. I need them. Let me get them. Crazy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And here's how we are going to end this off. Alright. Nike by You, aka Nike ID. This is when they did a special collab. Something that you can't get. It was there for like a day or 2, gone. When they did it with Karabo Poppy, that's known for the South African art. So it's either you got them then, or it's a dub. You can't get them ever again, unless if you buy them for resale from somebody. But you was able to make your own, and bam, these are mine. Listen, yo, this is crazy, yo. Look at the Dubray, it's a comb. I was gonna make that gold, but I made it black, all black. Look at the pull tab in the back, goes up, got the name, butter soft leather. And on the other foot, we got the Dubray, it has her name on it, right there, Karabo Poppy. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but yeah. Man, there you go. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and this was the first episode of season 2 of Conceited's weekly pickups. Make sure you stay tuned in. I'm always gonna have some more joints for you, so y'all can come, tell me what you like, tell me what you dislike. Make sure to go cop up at the Hollywood Apparel. You know what it is. Conceited. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Very easy. Peace.